Hey guys, it's Ken with Squad Buddy Airsoft on YouTube. I play with the 24th Grenadiers Airsoft team, and I have two small boxes. It took a little while for this guy to come in, but let's talk about these for a second. This right here is one of the swag packs from Evike Airsoft. It was $16.99 plus shipping, which came out to $30-ish. And this, I actually got 3 of the double whammy patch packs from Airsoft GI. They were $10 each. And then they charged me $15 in shipping for standard shipping. And that seemed a little outrageous. I was like, you know what, maybe it's going to be something bigger than just 2 patches per, because they had where you get 2 patches per, or you could get other stuff to go along with it. So we're going to open this and see. I'm going to open the Evike box first because it came in very quickly. I ordered it and it was here 4 days later from California. So let's take a look at it and let's see what we got here. They put a list of everything that they're going to offer on the actual page. And there was only one item that I was like, I don't know if I'm going to want that. And we'll see if I have the luck that I think I do and wound up with that one item. Well, it looks like I have the luck that I thought I did. In this swag pack, 4th edition. It came by UPS, it came fairly quickly. It was let's just see what we got here. So, they're actually doing a couple of things right now. They're not really giving much details, but they're doing a couple of things right now. They have these cards. We'll talk about these cards in a minute. It's a 3-in-1 charging cable. This will actually come in handy because I'm going to be hopefully doing a couple of mil sims later on this year. This will come in handy for charging things. Whole bunch of masks that I'll never use, I hope. And 10,000.12 gram BBs, plus, wait for it, I feel like I'm going to break this getting into it. There's a little Springer pistol inside of here. The BBs I will never use except for in grenades. The pistol might as well go in the trash can. So that has no bearing on me whatsoever. But these cards we've been told to hang on to for a later date. This is a Sage International M14 EBR, a EMG F1 Firearms BDR 15, and a GMP Mark 46. So don't know what's going on with those, but we'll just have to see. Overall, was it worth $16.99? Probably not. The BBs were probably $10 if you go to Academy to pick them up. This is about $15. And the masks, if you need masks, or depends on the time of the year. This time last year, they were worth their weight in gold. So let's take a look at this. So I ordered this before I ordered the swag pack. This just arrived today, almost a week and a half later. I figured that for $15 in shipping, it would have got here in a decent amount of time. It sat on their shipping dock for a while, and made its way here. So let's see if it was worth it. Airsoft GI usually does pretty good with their stuff that they get out. So let's take a peek and see what arrived. It was $14.76 in shipping. So they do pre-seal everything and just kind of randomly grab and go. Looks like I've got a whole bunch of patches. Looks like I just spent $30 on patches. Hello, my name is, and a Stormtrooper. I like the Stormtrooper. A Spartan patch, and I don't know what their deal is. They've started some kind of mayo something, so it's Mayo Gang. That'll be on the back of this hat or on an arm patch. And Ghostbusters, that's kind of cool. Skull with a knife in its mouth. Was that worth it? I wouldn't have bought any of these patches ever. So I guess I got what I paid for on those, except for the shipping. I feel like the shipping was a ripoff. Someone got a really good deal on shipping because there were guns that went out through that. So kind of let down both of these boxes, but you know, it's what we get. I was kind of expecting. Honestly, I was expecting what I got from Evike. I was hoping that I would at least get just, they had a higher package of BBs. I was kind of hoping I would have got that instead of this. Patches, I paid for patches. I got patches. So I can't really complain. But we'll see. I might do some trading. I might see what I can do. But once again, Squad Buddy Airsoft on YouTube. Go like and subscribe. 24th Grenadiers Airsoft team. I'm planning on playing at CartCon 1 at their MilSim coming up on October 26th, I think it is. It's late October. And that's over in College Grove, Tennessee. And then up in Loudoun County, there is a MilSim on October 10th. I think it's the 8th through the 10th. It's a full weekend. It's supposed to be 40 hours of continuous play. So my wife would probably not be very happy with me after that one because I'll be dead tired. But it'll be fun. So go check us out. 24th Grenadiers Airsoft team. We are happy to talk to you if you want to play. Once again, this is Ken, Squad Buddy, signing off.